Hi there everyone, welcome back again to another video of FreeCAD series. In this one, I'm going to talk about Toolbar and how we can customize it or even lock it. So Toolbar here, as you can see, lets you customize your tools or what you want to see, or you can even customize this by placing somewhere like this. It is totally up to you. And I really like the kind of customization the FreeCAD offer. But at the same time, sometimes what may happen or what may go wrong is you like the way it is, and then all of a sudden someday you by mistakenly pulled, because it is so easy to rearrange or place certain tool somewhere else, you may mistakenly destroy your favorite layout. Then in that case, you can go back again in Toolbar, and then you can click on Lock Toolbar. Once you do that, you may not able to drag these tools from one place to another. So that's how, guys, we just saw how we can add tools in our toolbar, customize it, and even lock it. I hope you find this video helpful and informational. Please make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow complete FreeCAD series and other engineering topics. And I will see you around in our next video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.